Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the speed of your video or audio tracks within the Filmora editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Filmora app on your device and you can either create a new project or work on any of your old ones. Once you open up your project and import your files, you will end up within the timeline menu. Now within this page, you will see all of your tracks, including your audio, your video, as well as your pictures. If you wish to speed up or slow down any video or audio track, go ahead and tap on it, and now underneath you will see the speed option. Go ahead and tap on speed, and now you can change your desired speed by using the slider. Now since 1.0x is the normal speed, if you move left from it, then this will slow down your video or audio track, and if you move right, it will speed it up. You can also use a curve to create your own curve to automate your speed, or you may use one from the various different templates. After choosing your desired speed, tap on the tick mark to apply your changes, and now your video or audio track has been sped up by your chosen magnitude. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the speed of your audio or video tracks within Filmora. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.